am a small business owner, but I'm not a small business owner that has a warehouse or has tons of employees or even gets hundreds of orders each week. I am the small business owner that is usually working even on weekends, the one that does the happy dance each time she gets an order, or the one that sometimes doesn't get an order every single day, and that's totally fine. I am the business owner that is enjoying the process and